The water is boiling. Can you turn it off?
Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius.
Listen to those people. What language are they speaking?
Excuse me, do you speak English?
Let's go out. It isn't raining now.
It doesn't rain very much in summer.
I'm busy.
What are you doing?
What do you usually do at weekends?
I'm getting hungry. Let's go and eat.
I always get hungry in the afternoon.
Kate wants to work in Italy, so she's learning Italian.
Most people learn to swim when they are children.
The population of the world is increasing very fast.
Every day the population of the world increases by about 200,000 people.
I'm living with some friends until I find a place of my own.
My parents live in London. They have lived there all their lives.
You're working hard today.
Yes, I have a lot to do.
Joe isn't lazy. He works hard most of the time.
I always go to work by car.
I've lost my phone again. I'm always losing things.
You're always playing computer games. You should do something more active.
Tim is never satisfied. He's always complaining.